The prospect of technology being able to predict societal issues before they arise presents a transformative opportunity for governance, public policy, and community well-being. Advanced predictive analytics, powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and big data, could enable governments and organizations to anticipate challenges related to public health, crime, environmental changes, and social unrest. However, while the potential benefits of such predictive capabilities are significant, they also raise complex ethical dilemmas and considerations regarding privacy, accountability, and the implications of relying on technology for decision-making. This video explores the effects of predictive technology on governance, prevention strategies, and the ethical dilemmas that accompany its implementation. At the heart of this discussion is the potential for predictive technology to enhance governance by providing leaders with actionable insights that inform decision-making. By analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources, such as social media, health records, economic indicators, and environmental sensors, predictive algorithms can identify patterns and trends that signal emerging societal issues. For example, predictive analytics could forecast potential outbreaks of disease by analyzing health data and social behavior patterns, allowing public health officials to implement preventive measures before a crisis escalates. In the context of crime prevention, predictive policing tools can analyze historical crime data to identify hotspots and forecast potential criminal activity. This information can help law enforcement agencies allocate resources more effectively, deploy officers to high-risk areas, and engage with communities to address underlying issues. By anticipating crime trends, law enforcement can adopt proactive strategies that enhance public safety and foster community trust. Predictive technology can also play a vital role in addressing environmental challenges. By analyzing climate data, land use patterns, and resource consumption, predictive models can identify potential environmental risks, such as natural disasters, resource depletion, and pollution. This foresight allows governments and organizations to implement mitigation strategies, such as disaster preparedness plans, sustainable resource management, and environmental regulations, ultimately reducing the impact of environmental crises on communities. The ability to predict societal issues has the potential to shift the focus of governance from reactive measures to proactive strategies. Instead of responding to crises after they occur, governments can take preemptive action to address underlying factors contributing to societal challenges. This shift can lead to more effective resource allocation, improved public policy, and enhanced community resilience. By investing in preventive measures, governments can reduce the long-term costs associated with crises, such as healthcare expenditures, law enforcement interventions, and disaster recovery efforts. However, the implementation of predictive technology in governance raises significant ethical dilemmas that must be carefully considered. One of the primary concerns is the issue of privacy. The collection and analysis of large datasets often involves sensitive personal information, raising questions about data ownership, consent, and surveillance. Citizens may be uncomfortable with the idea of their data being used to predict their behavior or potential societal issues, leading to concerns about government overreach and the erosion of individual freedoms. Moreover, the accuracy and reliability of predictive algorithms are critical considerations. If the data used to train these algorithms is biased or incomplete, the predictions may reinforce existing inequalities or lead to unjust outcomes. For instance, predictive policing algorithms that rely on historical crime data may disproportionately target marginalized communities, exacerbating social tensions and perpetuating systemic biases. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to implement robust data governance practices that prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability in the development and deployment of predictive technologies. Another ethical dilemma arises from the question of accountability. When predictive technology informs decision-making, it can be challenging to determine who is responsible for the outcomes of those decisions. If a predictive model leads to a misguided intervention or policy, identifying accountability can become complex. Establishing clear lines of responsibility and ensuring human oversight in decision-making processes are crucial for maintaining accountability and trust in predictive governance. The reliance on technology for predicting societal issues also raises concerns about the potential for complacency among decision-makers. If leaders become overly reliant on predictive models, there is a risk that they may neglect the importance of human judgment, community engagement, and local knowledge. Effective governance requires a balance between data-driven insights and the lived experiences of community members. Engaging citizens in the decision-making process is essential for ensuring that policies and interventions are relevant, culturally sensitive, and aligned with community values. Community engagement is particularly important in the context of implementing predictive technology. Involving citizens in discussions about the use of predictive analytics can foster transparency and trust, allowing communities to voice their concerns and preferences. Public consultations, focus groups, and community forums can provide valuable insights into the ethical implications of predictive governance and help shape policies that reflect the needs and values of residents. As technology continues to advance, the potential for predictive analytics to address societal issues will only grow. However, it is essential to approach these advancements with caution and a commitment to ethical principles. Policymakers, technologists, and community leaders must collaborate to establish guidelines and frameworks that prioritize privacy, fairness, and accountability in the use of predictive technology. This collaborative approach can help ensure that the benefits of predictive analytics are harnessed in ways that promote social good and enhance the well-being of communities. In conclusion, the ability of technology to predict societal issues before they arise presents significant opportunities for enhancing governance, improving prevention strategies, and fostering community resilience. By leveraging predictive analytics, governments can take proactive measures to address challenges related to public health, crime, and environmental sustainability. However, the implementation of predictive technology also raises critical ethical dilemmas related to privacy, accountability, and the importance of human judgment. Engaging communities in discussions about the use of predictive technology is essential for fostering trust and ensuring that policies align with the values and needs of residents. As society navigates the complexities of predictive governance, a commitment to ethical principles and collaborative decision-making will be crucial for harnessing the full potential of technology to create a better future for all.